Hi, lovely people. How are you? Make sure you let me know how your day is going in the comments down below. Mine's doing great because I got a few boxes today in the mail and I love me some subscription boxes. So if you read from my title, I am going to be unboxing this September 2019 Ipsy Plus. So if you don't know what this is a $25 a month subscription. Now starting next month, October 1st, is going to change. I don't know if you can pick the option, but you can get like a makeup bag that will be like an extra $8 or something like that. I don't know if I have all the info correctly, so let me know down in the comments below if you know. I do know October 1st, you can also get the Ipsy Ultimate, which is $50, and you know I got that because why? I have an addiction problem with subscription boxes. And then also the little bags that you can get, that's $10 a month. Starting October 1st, they're raising the price to $12 a month. Now I do Ipsy versus Ipsy, so I always get the one bag very early. I got this a few days ago, and then the other one won't be here till probably next week sometime. So I always have to wait on that because I know you guys like the Ipsy versus Ipsy. But we're not here for that. We are here to see what I got in my September Ipsy Plus. So if you want to see what I got in my September Ipsy Plus, then just stay tuned. All right, I wasn't supposed to get this till tomorrow, till tomorrow. So I was definitely excited when it came with the other boxes as well. All right, so this is what it looks like. It says GLAM Bag Plus. Now, I did not look at my spoilers this month because I didn't do any add-ons, so I didn't even look. So let's see what we got. All right, so it always says right here, which I love this saying, and I hope that they never change it. It says, don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you, and that's true. Don't stop, you know, I hate when, especially with the the younger generations, when they think that you have to be like everybody else, and it's like, no, just be like you know? All right, I like the fact that they're putting in this yellow thingy here too. So, all right, so that's what it looks like when you open it up. You do get a card, and for the September, it says, find your light. So that's pretty good. It says September is all about new paths and possibilities. So whether it's going all out with a bold new lip shade or masking at home to recharge from within, take a moment to rediscover your guiding North Star, where it will lead you. Hashtag discover yourself. That's so true. All right. Okay, so here it says, I believe, for next month. So let's see what it says. It says new, choose a product every month. Beginning on September 24th, you'll be able to choose one of your 5 GLAM Bag Plus products. Then you'll be able to build the rest of your bag to complement your choice. Save the date. So September 24th will be for the October. The new GLAM Bag, you asked, we listened. We heard our GLAM Bag Plus members have been missing the actual GLAM Bag. Well, guess what? It's back and you're going to love it. So maybe you don't pay extra for that. I'm not sure how that works because when I was able to upgrade for this, they stopped the bags. So, and then it says pick up to 5 add-ons. You'll now have access to more samples and full-size products from 100 plus brands and unbeatable prices. GLAM Bag Plus not enough? If you want even more of an epic beauty experience, check out our new GLAM Bag Ultimate. All right, so there we go. So then when you open it up, it tells you what everything is and it gives you prices. And I'm seeing something right here, 2 things that I have repeat items. Every month I've been getting repeat items. I'm going to email them because I don't know why. So let's just pull out the first thing that I'm saying. So this is from Madison Miller, which I love her. I will leave her channel down below if you don't know who she is. She does a lot of like I just watched her videos. So for the regular Ipsy bag, there were 53 things that you could have got, and she shows all 53, and I like that. She shows what everything is. All right, so that's good. So she works with Ofra to make this. All right, so what is it? This is a palette. What is it? Let's see. This is a Ofra Cosmetics Madison Squad palette. What is it? Let's just open it up. I don't know if it's blushes or highlighters. I have no idea. All right, so it comes with the new Ofra packaging. All right, so it looks like it's 2 highlighters and a blush. Unless these are blush toppers, I'm not sure. So let's do some swatches and see. Oh, that's really pretty. Yeah, so you have 2 highlighters and a blush. So there we go. I'm gonna swatch them again and just see. All right, so yeah, so it's definitely buildable, so that's good. And I love Ofra highlighters formula. It's my favorite. So I'm definitely excited for this. And you can also wear these as a blush topper, or I don't know, definitely excited. The next thing I got is from Sept London. This is a translucent powder. I believe I got the sample size in an Ipsy before, but this is the full size and I have never got the full size. All right, let's open her up. I believe this is like really white. So if that is the case, I'm going to put this in a giveaway. I always end up ripping this stuff. Yeah, this is really, really white. And I like to wear more like peachy colors. Even underneath, I don't like them very white. But isn't that funny? It's really not filled up too much. Look at that. It's hardly filled up. Wow. All right, how much is this? This is $22. Okay, this Ofra is $35. So this is $22, but that's, I mean, like I said, it's really not filled up that much. So I'm going to put this in a giveaway, and I'm probably going to have a giveaway in this video as well because I see a couple repeat items that I'd rather you guys try. So yesterday I put up my box deluxe, and there is a giveaway in that video, so make sure you check it out after this one, and we will have a giveaway in this video. All right, so the thing that I am definitely seeing that I got before was by Wander Beauty. This is the Wonderless Sea Cape eyeshadow palette. This retail values for $25. I'm going to go get that palette so I can swatch the palette that I already have. That way I could put this in a giveaway. So I'll be right back. All right, so this is my palette that I had got before. Comes with a mirror, and these are the shades. So you have one matte shade, and the rest are shimmers. Let's see if I hold it back. I got new lighting before, and I still got to figure this lighting thing out. So I'm going to swatch them for you. All right, that is the only matte shade right there. So let me show you that. So that's a good transition. It's not dark enough to deepen up your eye. I always like doing like a smoky eye look. All right, so there are 4 shimmer shades. They're actually really pretty though. I just don't tend to reach for this palette because it only has one matte shade. All right, so then we have them, and then let me swatch this blue. I don't remember how I felt about this. Oh, look at that. Oh, Jesus. Yeah, I don't really care for this palette. Look at that. Let me go in again. And it's breaking up in my pan, actually. I'll show you. Yeah, I don't care for this palette too much. And let me just show you how it like breaks up. And I don't swatch hard. So you can see how like it just breaks apart. So that's probably why I didn't use it. Because I didn't like it. But I will, maybe you will, so I'll put that in today's giveaway as well. The other thing why I went to go get that eyeshadow palette, I went and got the other one that I got. So this is from Paris Hilton. This is the Pro DNA Cleansing Gel. And this retail values for $39, and this is mine. So I went and got that as well, so I didn't have to leave again. So we already got this. I've tried this once already. I only tried it once, and it was all right. But I don't think I would pay $39 for this. So, but that just kind of sucks that I got 2 repeat items already. Every video, I will link some down below that you will see that I keep getting repeat items. All right, and the last but not least is from Illamasqua, which I love their products. And this is the lipstick in Midnight, and this is $27. So, ooh, that's really pretty packaging. That's nice. Oh, that color is gorgeous. That is a nice fall shade. So let me swatch it. Yeah, that's really pretty. very pigmented. How much did I say that was? $27. It's not magnetic. I was seeing if it was magnetic, but once you push it down, if you can hear that click, so it won't come off if it's in your pocketbook. All right, so let's recap everything that was in my Ipsy Plus. So I got this beautiful lipstick. I think it's absolutely gorgeous, and it is $27. So really, if you just get this, that pays for the box. All right, so we got that. We got the Wander Beauty eyeshadow palettes. I got the by Madison Miller and Ofra collab, the two highlights in the blush right there. I got the Ciate translucent powder and the Paris Hilton cleanser. And I think that's everything. So we're going to have a giveaway. So you will be getting the cleanser, the powder, and the eyeshadow palette. So 3 items you will be getting. And the only thing you have to do, like all my other giveaways, they're all the same. You have to be subscribed because I love giving back to you guys. You have to watch this whole video in full because it does really help me out. You have to rate the video, so either like it or dislike it, whatever you want to do.
I prefer you to like it.
But if you want to dislike it, that's fine. It does help me out. So rate the video and then just leave a comment. I go by a comment picker, so you can comment as many times as you want. 1, 5, 10, 15, 20, 100. I say it in every one because I do a comment picker. The more times you comment, the better chances you do have on winning. The only thing is, don't just leave like an emoji. Keep leaving just one single emojis because it is going to my spam. So if you just want to leave like I'm hungry, something like that, but just keep, and don't comment the same things. Comment different things, otherwise it will go to my spam. All right, and that's everything, guys. So let me know what you think of the Ipsy Plus. And are you guys getting repeat items? I just don't understand. I'm going to email them. Let me know in the comments down below. Have you guys got any? I don't know. And that's everything, guys. Don't forget to rate the video, thumbs it up, thumbs it down. Make sure that you subscribe because we are almost at 35,000 when I'm making this video. Hopefully we are up to 35,000 when I'm making this video, and then I will have a big giveaway. And yeah, comment down below, let me know what you think, and turn that post notification bell on and make sure that you have it on all, because if not, you won't get my notifications. And like I said, I have a few videos coming up and giveaways. Why can't I talk today? I don't know. So I'm gonna get off of here. All right, guys, I love you guys so much, more than you will ever know, and I truly mean that. And I really do love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.